Hello, welcome to the first video in the LATS HVAC software tutorial series. Today we'll be going over the basics of the software. We will first begin by familiarizing ourselves with the tabs in the software. The first is the main tab, which will allow you to create a new project, save a project, and open another project. The info button will allow you to change information for your whole project and all the systems created within it. Load summary allows you to add information manually or via an Excel import file. Import is for pulling from older files, while import CAD is for bringing projects in from LATS CAD 2. Reports can also be created in Excel or as a PDF. GURP creates an equipment list or bill of materials for importing into SOPC for pricing. DXF creates a diagram in an AutoCAD file. The submittal download option gathers a submittal of equipment selected in the project. LG Caps opens the LG Caps software if it is installed on a computer. There will be an additional video discussing this software in detail. LATS Energy opens up the LG LATS Energy link. Next, we will discuss how to create a new project. Begin by clicking New on the main menu tab. Input the date, project name, and folder to save in, and any other descriptions for the project. Choose your location. This menu will automatically change altitude and outdoor design temperatures based on your city selections, but you can adjust them if you want a custom version. Next, feel free to add any customer and contractor information. This is not required, but any information that you provide will appear in a report of the system. The next menu will ask you to select the system that the project will be built upon. Upon choosing one of the five, multi-V, multi-F, single CAC, ERV, and control system, you will set the system type and ODU type. The project window that follows will look different for each of the following options: multi-V, multi-F, ERV, single CAC, and control system. You are then ready to get started with your system. The System tab allows you to manipulate the systems within a project file. New, copy, delete, and rename allow for you to change or duplicate various characteristics of a system. The System Settings tab allows you to change the properties that you previously set for the system. This differs from the Info button in the main tab, as it allows for you to just modify one specific system settings. The System Check All runs a system check on all active systems and notifies you of any failures. The View tab buttons are used to toggle between viewing and hiding the system tree, log viewer, properties, and overview windows, which we will discuss the functions of later on. The Language tab gives you a variety of options to choose between. Make sure that this is set to English. The Help tab is useful for increasing your understanding of LATS. The highlight of this tab is the LATS Help button, which will link you to the user manual to troubleshoot and learn the software. Once you've gotten rolling with the basic setup of your project, you will notice the System Tree window on the left. This window carries many options that are similar to the System tab, while also giving you a hierarchy of all systems in your project. Right beneath the System Tree, you will find the Properties window. This will allow for you to change all of the unit and system information as per your specifications. There is also an option to toggle between SI units and IP units. You can make this selection by clicking SI or IP respectively. Right next to those options is a blue icon that serves as a way to save the properties. This window is a very important part of the LATS software. The Unit Information section will provide you with a variety of options for selecting the units that best suit your needs. The buyer model name is an option that, when toggled on, presents the model names in the customer format. When kept off, the software will use the warehouse production names. It is important to keep this option on when working with LATS. There's also an option for diversity. Turning on diversity is a good idea for cooling load-dominant regions. Also, IDU capacity will only be corrected by design temperatures and will not be dependent on corrected ODU capacity. On the other hand, turning diversity off is better for heating load-dominant regions. In this, ODU capacity is corrected by design temperatures, combination ratio, and piping. It will be proportionally divided out to the IDUs as well. Altitude factor will derate the equipment capacity based on the altitude of the selected city. Altitude factor should always be set to on. The Log Viewer window shows you your most recent actions. The Project window and Overview window are key elements in creating and developing your project. While the Overview window gives you a bird's eye view of the project window is the initial window where you start a new project off with. By dragging and dropping a variety of models and pipe accessories from the box to the top, you can put your project together the way you see fit. A simple right click will give you more advanced options for each specific component, such as deleting or copying. There are a variety of IDU options available for you to select. These include wall-mounted, cassette way, art cool mirror, ceiling floor, duct high static, duct low static, and floor standing. The standby block serves as a place to drag and drop an IDU or HRU or select a Y-branch or header fitting. LATS offers an intuitive way of inserting room and floor information. In the main tab, the Load Summary button will pull up a window that will allow you to add floors and rooms as per your specifications. The Import Excel option also allows for you to import a pre-made Excel file with the room information. Once a room is created, you can use the project window to insert an IDU in a specific room. We have now covered the basics of the LATS HVAC software. If you have any additional questions, be sure to check out our additional videos, as well as the user manual in the Help tab. We hope that you continue to choose LATS HVAC for your HVAC needs.